Do you want to supercharge yourself? This exercise is called as bee breathing. Let's say your phone is hanging. What do? You close down all the apps and possibly you need to shut down your phone and restart it. What does it happen? And immediately our phone is like working very smoothly. All the apps are operational again. Bee breathing is very similar. This is what it does to our mind. What it does is that it shuts down one senses after the other and finally restarts it. This literally is like restarting our brain. So are you ready for bee breathing? Step 1, sit in Vajrasana posture. You should be able to see the side view, the rear view, both the views. Step 2, your fingers on your face. The first finger comes right over our eyebrows. The second one, the middle finger, use them to close your eyes. We are now shutting down our visual sense. So this one closes. The third one comes right here next to our nose. We're not closing our nose, obviously. We need to breathe. And the first, second, third, and the last one will come right under our lips. So this is the position 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And the thumb. Thumb would be actually used to press this particular projection that you see here, this projection, and close your ears. You're not supposed to hear anything or see anything in bee breathing. It's all about breathing like a bee, and these are the steps. And even you should be able to see this in the side views also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fourth one will be you need to press this projection and close your ears so that you cannot hear anything. Now the exercise starts. There is one thing you need to remember: you should not do it like this. Some people do it like this. Your arm should be extended outside, sitting straight, and this is how you do this. The word is hum, just like a bee. That's the reason why it's called as bee breathing. Yes, 1. Yeah. I'm closing my ears now. Breathing in. Hum. When you're done, total nine of them, slowly open your ears. Do not open your ears very quickly because it could kind of give us a shock. And the next is keep your palms on your face, rub them nicely, keep it closely, and open your eyes inside your palm. And when you would open, you would see everything would be really bright. It's literally, we have shut off a certain parts of our brain and restarted it. So this is called as bee breathing. You need energy, you need ultimate amount of focus, and you need to be staying sharp and completely focused. Bee breathing is your exercise. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel, and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website www.superbhumans.com. Thank you so much.